You can take that here. Want to look?
Imagine a place in Switzerland where you can eat as much chocolate as you want for free. This is inside the Lindt Home of Chocolate in Zurich, and it's honestly a dream. As soon as you enter, you are surrounded by the smell of real sweet chocolate, and yes, the tasting starts pretty quickly. They give you different flavors to try: milk, dark, hazelnut, strawberry, and each one somehow better than the last. But the best part, it's not just sample. You can actually go back and take more. You can taste directly the warm chocolate from the fountains. And believe me, the taste is totally different from the chocolate which we find in the markets. I am sure this is the reason that this is one of the most popular things to do in Zurich. If you love chocolate, you cannot miss this place. Here you can really experience how they make beans from cocoa, chocolates from cocoa beans. If you are visiting Switzerland, add this to your list, please.